How did NATO detect the mysterious unmanned aircraft that sparked fears of an attack? The answer lies in cutting-edge radar systems and an intricate network of sensors that never sleep, revealing secrets hidden in the skies. NATO relies heavily on advanced radar technology to monitor its airspace. These radars send out radio waves that bounce off objects in the sky. When the waves return, the radar analyzes the signals to determine the object's size, speed, and location. The mysterious unmanned aircraft triggered alerts because it appeared on multiple radar systems across different countries, confirming its presence and unusual flight pattern. This multi-radar confirmation is vital to rule out false alarms caused by weather or birds. Beyond radar, NATO uses a fusion of sensors including infrared detectors that pick up heat signatures and electronic intelligence systems that can intercept signals emitted by drones or control stations. This sensor fusion allows NATO to cross-verify data, building a clearer picture of the unmanned aircraft's identity and intent. The sensors work together in real time, providing commanders with actionable information swiftly enough to assess potential threats. To overcome the horizon limits of ground radars, NATO deploys airborne early warning aircraft equipped with powerful radar arrays. These planes patrol vast areas and can detect low-flying or stealthy unmanned aircraft that might evade ground detection. When the mysterious drone was detected, airborne assets played a key role in tracking its movement, enabling rapid response coordination. Detection is only part of the process. NATO's integrated communication systems share sensor data across member states instantly, allowing rapid expert analysis. Analysts use AI tools and experience to assess whether the unmanned aircraft poses a threat or is a benign object. This swift collaboration ensures that fears of attacks are addressed promptly and accurately, preventing panic and enabling strategic decisions. NATO's ability to detect mysterious unmanned aircraft combines cutting-edge radar, sensor fusion, airborne surveillance, and real-time communication. This layered defense reveals secrets hidden in the skies and protects millions from potential threats. If you want daily answers to questions you didn't know you had, hit subscribe now and stay curious.